Hello, YouTube. What the flip is up, YouTube? It's been a minute, and today should be a banger. We got a new car. I've had it about a month now. Haven't took any videos of it, haven't done anything for it. But I just got this back today. It's been in Germany for a week. So you could tell it's probably something ridiculous. So today, that's not what that's about. Today, we're gonna be installing this turbo on my new car. I'm just playing, it's the water pump for the race truck. All right, but in all seriousness, let's go put this back in the car, start it up, and show you guys what we got. All right, guys, so as you can see, we just picked this up. Brand spanking new, off the lot. Never driven before. Thing's a beaut. This is gonna be our new channel car. Probably makes right around 1,000 horsepower. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's pretty sick. All right, so here's the engine bay. Pretty clean, not bad. Like I said, brand new. The only thing we're missing is whatever goes here. That keeps telling me that something about drivetrain malfunction, I don't know. But we're gonna throw this in, and then I'll give you guys a little inside view of what it's like to ride in it. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is my new to me 2022 Toyota Supra. I've had the car a little bit over a month. Excuse me. I've had the car a little bit over a month now. The only thing I've done to it was, like you guys see in this video, I sent the ECU out just now. It's been about a week sitting in the driveway. It's absolutely filthy right now because we had some trees cut down. But I put tin on it and just put the ECU back in it. So I've taken it to the track once, so maybe I'll throw a clip of that in here. But I'm super excited to see what we do with this. In the month I've had it, it's been a super fun car. Everybody loves it. If you guys remember, I used to have an M340. This is basically just a two-door faster version of that. So I'm really enjoying the car. Today, I'm actually gonna tune it now that we have the ECU unlocked and put an ethanol sensor on it. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for that. But right now I'm gonna get some shots of it. I'm probably gonna wash it later too. And yep, so let me know what you guys think. Right now I'm really loving the car, so hopefully it lasts. If not, whatever. I gotta be honest with you guys, the only reason I really bought this car was because of these red seats and the red steering wheel. It really just, I've really been missing the M340. You know, I wanted something to like ride around on the street. The truck is just such a hassle to drive all the time. You know, I still love it, but I just wanted something quick to scoot around on the streets for, and this came up, and honestly I went and looked at it and basically just folded with no pressure really. Really excited to see. It's already faster than the M340 was. The M340 tuned went like an 8.5 out of Mockley, I think. This already has been a 7.6, and that was with nothing but a downpipe on it. So I'm really excited to see where this goes and what we do to it. Obviously one day would be cool to have, you know, a full drag setup on it with a big turbo and a parachute and all that jazz, but I don't really see that for the future of this car right now. Maybe a couple years down the road after we're really done enjoying it. But you know, Richie's getting back into racing, so, or back into street riding around, I guess. We don't condone that street racing junk anymore. But like I said, so far I'm really loving the car. I mean, it's fun, it sounds great, people love it, people give you looks. I have had nobody say that they didn't like the car, other than my mom said it was super low, but you know, I mean, even my dad liked the car. He doesn't like anything, so. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think of it. What you think we should do. Maybe colors for it. I'm not a fan of the white. Obviously, you guys know I like black stuff. I like the black car. I think this thing could look really gangster with like a tangerine orange color and some of the carbon accents that they sell. Dude, the carbon pieces they sell for these cars are insane. And here, I'll show you guys right now, but like it came with the carbon side skirt. It came with the carbon interior, the carbon mirrors. I think the carbon roof would be too much, but I do want to do the carbon panels here and maybe like a carbon splitter on the hatch. Not you see how dirty it is, but not like the big wing. I think just like a little lip might be good. But I'm also like, I like the simplistic look of it. It's not sleeper, obviously, because everyone knows like this car is like a sports car and it's supposed to be fast, but I think it's slick. It's slick fast. It doesn't like stand out and say, hey, I make 1,000 horsepower, but it also is very slick and fast. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but that's kind of how I've been feeling about it. I think you can make carbon for this too. So carbon that. The interior is already done, really. I did see one of these on Marketplace for like $800, but the whole thing was carbon and it looked gangster. So we might do that down the road. But let's go get an ethanol sensor installed and get tuned. And maybe we'll go to the shop and pick up the Draggy and see what kind of numbers we can put down on like a 60 to 130 or maybe a Dig or something like that. See what Scott thinks of it. All right, boys, so we just got it tuned. MHD off-the-shelf tune. What he just installed was a flex fuel sensor, so now we can put E in the car at any time and the tune will self-adjust. And if we don't feel like running ethanol, then we'll just fill the car up with 93, and like I said, it'll adjust. So that should make everything a little bit easier. I'm gonna buy a little OBD2 port adapter, and I'll probably put the iPad that I don't use here in the car, and then I can watch the gauges if need be, if I want to look like a racer, or if I just want to know what the ethanol content is, if I'm looking for the best out of it. So shout out to IMS with Cars, Bass. I bought that sensor through him. He installed it for free, and we went and did a couple pulls, and man, this thing definitely scoots, man. I'm gonna get a video for you guys. I'm gonna stop the video here tonight, but I'm gonna get a video for you guys tomorrow, maybe with a Draggy of a full pull, probably to 130, 140 somewhere, and might even put the GoPro in here. So I will pick this back up in a minute for you guys, in a day for me, and we definitely need to wash this thing. So. All right, fellettes, we are on the way to a local car meet, actually. One of the universities, like next town over, has like a car club, and they have a car meet every Tuesday and Thursday. So we're gonna ride out there, check it out, see what we can get into. Maybe something, hopefully. If not, at least we have the highway on the way home. And I got the GoPro with us, so we'll set it up in here and get some good footage of something. I'm not sure what yet, but we will find something. Hey, you gotta get the... They kicked John out of the meet. Said he looked like a UFO. All right, guys, the meet is lame as hell. Welcome to FGCU. Bunch of stock cars. I mean, what do you expect? Kids in college, I guess. So now I'm just gonna snap some quick pics of John's rig in the car. Might be the only time I ever see him again. He hates me now. He never wants to hang out with me anymore.
What the fuck is that?
That's you.
Don't disrespect me like that.